Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning, your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So I will do a call here. Also, if the point is really bad, it's a bad late entry, but I'm sure that this candle will close above the upper shadow of this kind of candle, because we are already gone so far, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call here. That is what Candlestick Psychology is about, and this video is about Candlestick Psychology and those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option tool trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So yes, let me see. That is a morning star, and I will enter into a call again. Yes, because the probability that price will continue its uptrend is 75 to 80%. I have explained this often, yes, and if the context is right, I'm sure that price will go up and that this trade will in the money too. Yes, only because of the context and the behavior of a morning star. Yes, the same is valid also for the evening star. So, and after this, I will wait. Obviously, yes, because I have to understand, okay, this candle was weak, and I will do a put now. Yes, because this candle was not that what I was expecting. This candle is showing the same behavior which I have explained in the ebook, in the 7th edition ebook, about the process of elimination. Yes, the method of elimination. Watch those kind of things which I have explained in the ebook. I can show you this after this trade, what I mean exactly. Yes, and I have shown you this also in the latest video. Yes, I think yes, watch my latest video, because it's better that you have to find those things on your own. Yes, I can show you this once. Yes, but at the end you have to find this on your own, because I cannot eat the meal for you. Yes, or I cannot. Yes, I cannot eat the meal for you. You have to activate your brain on your own. Okay, so that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.